The finished touches. So now it is ready to eat. The hubby is ready to eat because he just got in. Hey girls, so today we are cooking some pork chop. Let me get my camera right. We are cooking some pork chops today, and I'm not going to be using any flour, but I am going to be using coconut oil. I usually use olive oil, but to be honest, I love the flavor that coconut oil gives food. So we're going to put just a little bit in here. Yeah, this is my first time using coconut oil to do the pork chop, but I don't know, I just like the flavor of coconut oil. So let's turn the eye on. So today we are cooking I'm doing the pork chops. Let me show you what I'm gonna put on. So with the pork chop, I'm going to be using some fresh cilantro as well as some onions. I love these little white boiled onions. These suckers be banging. They pack so much flavor, like a lot of flavor. And I'm going to add some mushrooms to it as well. So, then I'm going to have green beans. I'm going to saute those. And then I have some corn on the cob in the oven. So if I don't forget, I will come back and let you see. Oh, and let you. I don't want to get. So yeah, I just want it to melt down some. I got it turned down low. But for the seasoning for my pork chop, I've already seasoned it, and I used some brown sugar seasoning for it. You don't want to put a lot of seasoning on pork chop because it will come out very, very salty. I was hoping I would have enough room. I got 5 pork chops here. I was hoping I had enough room. Oh, I got 6. Okay, yes, I don't have enough room to put them all in there. So we'll do these 4, and then we'll come back and put the rest of them in. So, as you well know, it does not take pork chop long at all to cook. You can cook pork chop pretty fast. But yeah, I haven't done a cooking video in a minute. So I was like, you know what? I just want to come on and do a cooking video with you today. And it ain't going to be much, girl. Just a little something, something. And you know what? Honestly, we have not had pork in so long. But I am to the point that I am tired of hoarding food. Like, it is getting on my last nerve. So I really want to just go ahead and start cooking up this food. I know we supposed to save up some food, and yes, I have some saved, but I realize that it's really getting on my nerves, like with hoarding food. Like, all this food is just annoying. And I'm blessed. Don't get me wrong. I am blessed. Yes, I am blessed to have enough food. But the point is that sometimes it just becomes a lot when you see a lot of food sitting around. So we're going to do this, and I'm going to add in some cilantro as it gets a little bit more done, and some of those onions and some of those mushrooms. But what I wanted to do is put some seasoning on the side of this, and I'm going to use Mrs. Dash because I ran out of that other one while I was put this on here. So, like I said, you don't want to, I'm using my Pioneer Woman cast iron pan that I freaking love. So, yeah, let's get these cooking a little bit, and I will be back and let you see them. We are getting there. We really are. And with pork chop, you don't want to cook them too long because they will get tough. These are not there yet, but they're getting there. So what I want to do for some flavor is add in some cilantro, just a little bit on top, because I also want to put some fresh cilantro probably on the plate, but I do like to cook with cilantro. And I'm gonna go ahead and piece up some. I'm telling you, these little onions, oh my goodness. Yeah, they will definitely make your tail cry if you're not careful. But girl, they pack some flavor. They really do. And just a little bit, just to add the flavor into what you get that flavor into the mix. Because I'm telling you, and I also am going to add some of these onions in with the green beans, the fresh green beans that I'm cooking. So, okay, we're getting somewhere though. I'm not ready to take these two especially up because I don't want them to get tough. And you just really want to be able to, really we should wait till our meat rests for a minute before we cut into it to keep it from drying out. Girl, I've learned that from the experts, but per se. Don't you hate sometimes how pork chops curl up? Normally, I have like pork chops, them really thick ones. I got some in the freezer, but I had these and I was like, you know what? At the time, I wasn't sure if I was going to, how I was going to do them. And I'm trying to eat healthier. I get the husband to eat healthier, so I decided to do them like this, you know, without frying them in flour. Frying them up. But girl, you know, we Southern child. We love some food, honey. And my husband's definitely a meat and potatoes kind of guy. But these are good. We're gonna snatch these on up, scoop up the rest of the stuff out of them. And like take up this, sit it over there on top. Or on the side or something, child. But we definitely got to get it up. So yeah, this one's definitely ready to come out and join its brother over there. Brother or sister. Brother, sister. Yeah, look at that. Okay, so we got a fresh pan, the same pan, but a fresh pan. I'm doing a video. We have fresh green beans that have been washed and sitting and just waiting to go in the pan. We're going to saute these. In these, we're going to put onion and I just want these to be sauteed. So I'm going to put those onion. I have some Himalayan pine, I guess, veggie seasoned salt that I actually want to in the hand and sprinkle that on top. And then I'm also going to add some Italian blend to my green beans. I'm just going to saute them up. should have cut them in half, but I didn't. Girl, I don't know. I also tried snapping these beans, honestly. So I just left them whole, but they'll be alright. They really will. We just want to saute them. I still want them to have somewhat of a crunch. I don't want to cook them all the way. All right, girl, we've made it to the end and your girl is starving. I'm ready to dig in. So this is my meal. I also fixed some rice for the husband. I'm not really a big rice fan. I eat rice, okay, but I'm not really that big of a fan. So here's my corn on the cob, which was banging, girl. I put a little lemon pepper up there and your girl got busy with this. So thank you so much for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed this little cooking video. If this is something you like to see, keep coming back. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, comment, and share. And your girl will holler back at you in the next video. Bye, girl.